Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use MoonPay on Trust Wallet. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will go to your Trust Wallet, and once you're here, you will just have to, of course, log into your account. And once you've logged in, you should see that the buys option right here. So it really depends on your version or your layout of your screen. And then after you see the buy, you will just have to tap it, and then you will select your crypto, which is either BTC, ETH, USDT, or whatsoever. And then after that, you will just have to choose MoonPay as your payment provider, and then you will enter the amount and tap buy. You will complete identity verification if prompted, and again you will choose the payment method, and you will just have to complete the transaction. Wait for the crypto to appear in your Trust wallet after you've done all that. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.